Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover and today's 360 exterior and interior tours on this Land Rover Defender 3.0 D350 110 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian Grey. To start off with then you have your Matrix LED headlights which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. You also have your keyless entry which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, and once we open up the boot you are able to see that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. And once those seats are down you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. You are also able to find your deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving in through the rear seats you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 18,889 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information with terrain response drive modes, both these individual features making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Further helping even more, the 360 view camera has an off-road feature to help on those off-road days. And of course you also have your 360 view angle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, ensuring you always stay comfortable. And pairing with this you also have a dual zone climate control so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 3.0 D350 110 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information please contact our sales team.